Hi, Pinky Benji. These flowers are for your birthday, and you can see your brother smelling them. I know how much you love flowers. These have just come up in our garden today, and I think they have bloomed only because of your birthday. I am going to take you around and show you only flowers, and I know how much you love them.
पिंकी बहन जी, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंसान हैं। जितना आपका चेहरा खूबसूरत है, उससे ज़्यादा आपका दिल खूबसूरत है। आप में इतना प्यार है। आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव अ सिस्टर लाइक यू। हैव अ ग्रेट डे, लव टू ऑल इन द फैमिली एंड एंजॉय द इवनिंग टुडे।
Happy birthday, Didi. Wishing you so much happiness and abundance. And when I look at the flowers wherever I go, I see your face in, I think, each and every flower. Your passion for plants, your passion for flowers, your passion for nature is something I can connect with because I'm so much like you, Didi. And I love you so much, Didi. I really love you. I love Jijaji. I love Pooja, Payal, everybody. So I gave you that bird's eye view because those flowers just came up. I want you all to come here, stay with us whenever it's possible, Didi. I love you. I respect you. I adore you. I am blessed to have you and your family in my life. And there is a surprise. I hope you get it soon, and I hope you love it. I think you will.
Happy birthday, Pinky Benji.
And we really love you so much.
I have a great year, very healthy year, and have fun. I wish we were there with you all today.
Enjoying with you, celebrating your birthday with you. But we'll do this next year. For sure, all of us, Pinky Benji.
Actually, I missed that evening when we all were there and we were having drinks together. What fun it was.
Yes.
I wish we could do it again sometime soon.
We'll be able to do, God willing, very soon, Pinky Benji. And lots of love to you. You're our favorite Pinky Benji. And we love you too much, Pinky
The
Benji.
one and only.
Happy birthday. You enjoy your birthday.
Hi Pinky Didi, may your smile and your artistic taste add up to your aura for many years to come. Happy birthday!
Quite an effort, I thought. Up the stairs was the beautiful mandir. Believe me, gives a feeling of abundance, so full of peace, joy and happiness. After this soothing experience, we settled down and chatted. Before we knew it was time for food, which of course was as delicious as always. Made with so much love. मज़ा आ गया। अचार के साथ एक पराठे में क्या स्वाद था। तेरी हेल्प गीता कितने प्यार से बना रही थी और जनाब आप खिला रही थी। The whole feeling, the entire ambience was so fulfilling. Then we went in your room where you played Uncle's music video. Those songs, those melodies, Anju were totally nostalgic. Took us back to our days in Bareilly. Unforgettable was that get together. What a blast we had. Then we saw your gorgeous plants outside and on the terrace. We sat on the swing, took pictures. What a day of total fun and happiness, my dear. This is one of the memories I had to share on this very special day. Now, those melodies, Anju were totally nostalgic. Took us back to our days in Bareilly. Unforgettable was that get together. What a blast we had. Then we saw your gorgeous plants outside and on the terrace. We sat on the swing, took pictures. What a day of total fun and happiness, my dear. This is one of the memories I had to share on this very special day. Now, a little more about you. Your spirit, dear friend, is your strength. Your green fingers, your awesome flowers are your source of joy. The best part being your internal desire to spread it all around. Keep up this enthusiasm. It brings so much life in the family. Both the girls, with all their inherent love and care, have learned so much from you. Let them keep growing with your potentials. You are blessed, Anju dear. Ramesh ji has always been a pillar standing by your side. I wish this awesome family happiness, peace, good health and all the very best always. God bless with lots of love and a big, big hug.
Anju, you are a sweetheart and we know you since your marriage or before marriage because I was told at times विजय बाबू तो हीरो हैं और हमें ज़ीरो जब वो गाड़ी चलाते हैं तो हीरो बन जाते हैं और हम चलाते हैं तो ज़ीरो बन जाते हैं। ये रमेश के स्टेटमेंट थी और अभी भी आज तक अपना इतना प्यार बना हुआ है दोनों सबसे सारी तो उसकी फैमिली हमारी फैमिली में इतना प्यार है कि कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता। और आज तो ये बात है कि वो बेंगलोर में रहती है, फूल फाल का बहुत शौक है और हरियाली का बहुत शौक है और रमेश का भी बहुत शौक है, इसीलिए वो बहुत प्यार करते हैं एक दूसरे से।
प्यार ऐसे ही बना रहे।
प्यार ऐसे ही बना रहे।
मेरी प्यारी दोस्त, प्यारी बहुत प्यारी है, जिसका जन्मदिन है ठाकुर जी मेरे राधा रमन जी तुमको बहुत ही खुश जिसका जन्मदिन है ठाकुर जी मेरे राधा रमन जी तुमको बहुत ही खुशमय ज़िंदगी दें। आगे की ज़िंदगी तो हमेशा मुस्कुराहट तुम्हारे चेहरे पे रहे। अब मैं तुम्हारी याद में जो है वो तुम्हारी याद करके तुमको याद करके मैं तुमको दो चार मैं तुम्हें शेर सुनाना चाहती हूँ। सुन लो प्यार से। कोई शर्त नहीं है, कोई शिकायत नहीं है तुमसे, बस सीधी सी मोहब्बत है और दीदार की चाहत है। हाँ, और सुन लो, बेरंग जिंदगी में रंग भर जाते हैं कुछ फरिश्ते, दोस्त बनकर जब जिंदगी में आते हैं तुम्हारे जैसे दोस्त। वो मुस्कुराहट के मोहब्बत के सौदे भी अजीब करती है, बस मुस्कुराती है और दिल खरीद लेती है। वो मोहब्बत के सौदे भी अजीब करती है, बस जो व्यक्ति दूर रहते हुए भी पास लगे समझ लेना उस व्यक्ति का संबंध हमारी आत्मा से जुड़ा हुआ है। बहुत प्यारे तुम्हारा जन्मदिन, बहुत मुबारक हो।
जन्मदिन है तेरा? अरे बाबा,
बहुत
जन्मदिन
खुश
बहुत
रहो।
मुबारक हो।
तुम्हें देखने की तमन्ना है, जल्दी दिल्ली आओ तुम। राधे राधे।
दिल्ली आओगे तो हम मिलेंगे पक्का।
राधे राधे।
Wishing you a happy birthday, Anjana. God bless you with all the happiness in life. Enjoy your day and stay healthy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, darling Pinky. I love you. Happy birthday to you. I'm Renu Sani, I am Pinky's Chachaji's music director, the famous music director Roshan's daughter, and I have all praises for my sister Pinky. She is full of life. Yes, her eyes speak so. Her eyes speak so. If you look into her eyes are so bright and sparkling. You can see the brightness in her eyes. She is gentle, loving, very, very fond of gardening. Her life force are flowers. Oh, what a great hostess she is. Whenever anybody goes to her house, she makes that person so comfortable and serves all sorts of fancy foods. And I have eaten so many times in her house, and I have always enjoyed eating a meal with her. The way she looks after, the way she makes the other person feel so relaxed, and I feel so happy when I go to her house. And she gives us very tasty and yummy food. God bless her and give her a very good health, a long and happy life, and I have all praises and blessings to her. ठीक है?
Hello Anjana. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. अंजना, मैं तुम्हारी बातों को बहुत याद करती हूँ। जब हम लोग यमुनानगर में इकट्ठे थे, बहुत साल हम लोग इकट्ठे रहे, इकट्ठे क्या पड़ोसी रहे हम लोग। और तुम्हारा सारा खाना, तुम खाना इतना अच्छा बनाती थी और अब भी बनाती हो। मैं सबको बहुत याद करती हूँ। और तुम्हारे वो अक्सर मैं देखती थी, तुम बरामदे में बैठी गुनगुनाती रहती थी, गाना गाती रहती थी। तो सब दिन हम लोग लॉन में इकट्ठा बैठते थे और वो सब चीज़ें बहुत याद करती हूँ। कहने को तो बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन बस अब मैं और क्या कहूँ। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ।
Happy birthday, Bhavi. You continue to enjoy your life as you are doing. Look as young, pretty, always.
Happy birthday to our most gorgeous Bhabi. We wish you many more happy and healthy birthdays. Always keep smiling as you do always, and be as beautiful as ever. We pray for your unfailing love, joy and happiness in your life, and wishing you endless joy and excellent health as you celebrate this big day with your family and friends. We wish someday we could be all together to celebrate this wonderful lady's birthday. We wish you again a very happy birthday, who is forever young.
Pinky Didi, happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day. Remember the days we spent together, Anil and me and all of us. We used to take vacation every time we were in India. Well, enjoy yourself. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, I'm Zayn. Happy birthday, I'm Ali.
Happy birthday, I'm Ron. Happy birthday, I'm Jay.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Anjana. I wish your day is fulfilled with happiness and you have a fantastic year ahead. I am sending you some good smiles and vibes for this special day. Cheers to your health and bye.
Hello Anjana ji, wish you a very happy birthday. May all the beautiful colors of flowers in your garden bloom like you and like that. Life can give us a number of beautiful friends, but only true friends can give us a beautiful life. Friends are such a great asset. They can bring back your smile, your hope, your courage. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. God bless you. Wish you all the best.